We are truly grateful, right?
Yeah, oh, definitely.
We are truly grateful. It's an unforgettable evening. This has been an unforgettable day. I don't know if some of you know or most of you know, but we had the opening, the official ceremony, excuse me, opening of IIPC Canada in Rockwood today by Mayor Chris White this morning. Brother Muhammad Shaikh and him cut the ribbon. It was a great, great event. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that opening. I'd like to recognize Mr. Rick DeLorozio, butchering your name. He's the counselor of Milton. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for being part of this event. Okay, as we close this unforgettable event, the day, we talked about the opening in the morning also, my heart is full with gratitude, pride, and especially love, but mostly also now hope. Thank you for all the support that everybody here has shown. Thank you for your contributions. And we believe very, very strongly that now Brother Muhammad Shaikh can go back to Pakistan in the next couple of months and be proud and say to the community over there that this community stepped up. His home, this other home, the Canadian home that he has adapted, where he is now planted IIPC Canada on Canadian soil, came out and supported him. So thank you so much for all of this. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, with that, we are gathered here to honor a man who dedicated his life to taking guidance from the Quran. People are here from all over the world. That is a testament to this man's work. His very first Quranic lecture was delivered in 1990, titled What Al-Quran Says About Al-Quran. And since then, he has done wondrous and enormous level of work. Over 100 lectures delivered, IIPC founded, right? 24/7 Quranic TV channel launched, and a global social media empire. And yes, Reuters picked him up as the fourth most influential Muslim in the world. But to us, to me personally, and to all of us, he's always number one, right? Number one, yeah? Okay. The extent of his work is enormous, ladies and gentlemen. He's transformed lives. I have my own personal story. He's opened up hearts. But one of the things that he's really done, and especially for us from South Asia, he's cleared a lot of cultural confusions. We also have seen Quranic understanding revived, and the most importantly, long-standing questions are finally answered. So he's here to see now that he's given us 30 years of service, what can we do to honor him further? And I assure you that we will figure this out tonight. Okay, Brother Muhammad Shaikh, we have to give you something. We had to give you something when you come here, an honor from the community or respond. So you see the attendance, and now you see the financial response that has come. I hope the pledges that the young kids have been filling, they're writing down, I can do this for you, I can do that for you. We already know that some people have stepped up for communication, other things, so that is great. So from all of us here, and the thousands of your followers worldwide, you have our gratitude, you have our thanks, and we know that you have given your lives to understanding and make people understand the book of Allah. You endured hardship, even took a bullet. I think some of them don't know. You even took a bullet, but never stopped. So Allah bless you. May you have health, and may you have the highest place in Jannah. Ameen. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
From all of us here, we're gratitude.
Thank you, thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be unto all of you, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm very much greatly honored, whatever the words you spoke for me. But the honor, I appreciate everybody's feelings towards me. But to me, God, Allah, the most, I expect Him to give me the garden that I expect. So I will try to relate in a vaya. قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Say, my life, my death, my loneliness, and is for Allah, the Lord of the worlds. So this is the ayat that mostly inspired me to do all this. And the day I realized at the age of 34 that I'm going to die. You see, there's a big veil between people and the lifestyle that we live. And that is that we see people dying and do not realize that there will be a day for themselves. They'll die. So at the age of 34, the veil was unveiled to me that I'm going to die. So at that age of time, 34, I did not want to die. So, you know, in Islam, I've heard that people will come back to life again. And if there's a life afterwards, so I have to work for that life. So my life that I led in all my life, I'm 73 plus, I led my life for that life. Did all the works that were required of me to live in this world with my brothers and sisters, my family relations, my children, and obviously all the people that know me about educating the Quran. I have a good relationship with every one of them. Since I know that I'm going to go, I'm not going to live here with all the wealth, with all the greatness it lies behind. You must be surely taking yourself in the nearness of God, what God, Allah, thinks about you, not what people say, appreciate. Okay, good, it's a good appreciate, you like it, but to me, the most God Almighty has given me and bestowed me the understanding, so I worked hard to be good in the nearness of God. That was my purpose.